Hello everyone, this is Ramesh Dontha with the AI Entrepreneurs newsletter and the YouTube channel. So I just wanted to bring you a short video on the AI events that we are bringing in our newsletter, the Sunday special, and also some courses that I thought would be useful for you, again listed in our Sunday special newsletter. So first, the events. So who want exposure to applied AI infrastructure and real world systems? So some events are coming up in the month of Feb and March. Okay, so first let me go through Data Science and AI Summit. It's happening in Dubai, UAE. Wish I could be there. That's from Feb 9th to 10th. And it's a global gathering of data and AI leaders featuring keynotes, hands-on sessions. Okay. The second international conference on AI and data science, again happening in Dubai. So Feb 12th to 13th, it looks like Dubai is becoming an AI hub there. The next one is a virtual one, NVIDIA DGX Spark. So it focuses on their servers. It's a personal AI supercomputer. It's Feb 11th and 12th. It's a virtual. And the next one is the evolution of AI coding assistance. Again, it's a virtual event, a practical look at how AI-powered coding assistants help lead teams boost productivity, streamline workflow, and ship faster. So these are the events that are happening within the next week or so, and this Sunday special comes out every week. So that's why we are only relaying to you the upcoming events in the next week. And the second thing that I would like to bring to your attention is the learning opportunities that we identify in our newsletter, and design agents and customer support with Claude and AWS. So this is how to design AI agents using Claude. The next one is ChatGPT prompt engineering for developers. Of course, prompt engineering has been there for quite some time, but this particular one is for developers. The next one that we highlighted in our Sunday special is the AI apps and agents on Azure, right? So there's one on AWS, and this is a build intelligent application, autonomous agents using Microsoft's AI services through hands-on labs and real-world examples. The next one is AI infrastructure and operations fundamentals. Understand the foundations of AI infrastructure from GPUs and deployment pipelines to scaling and operating AI systems in the cloud. So these are the few of the courses that we identified in our Sunday special. So if you're not subscribed to Sunday special or the newsletter, please, the links are below. So go ahead and do that. So with that, Ramesh Dontha signing off for AI Entrepreneurs.